procedure?
Yes, as scheduled, we proceeded for our taking the blessing and the order of the Lord deities Jagannath, and वहाँ पे there we bow down ourselves and took the blessing of Lord Jagannath to proceed to open the Bhitar Bhandar and Bahar Bhandar. Then we held a meeting. Meeting also remained successful. वहाँ पे सिलेक्शन हुआ 2 चेयरमैन एंड मेंबर CBK महांती, डॉक्टर CBK महांती का. उसके बाद हम लोग 12 बजे अंदर गए. We entered the temple by 12 o'clock. We inspected the things are in proper shape or not. Thereafter we put the required clothes as per the niti. Cloth put करने का बाद हम लोग we entered to the hall, main hall, to enter into the Bhitar Bhandar and Bahar Bhandar and Bhitar Bhandar. Bahar Bhandar we have opened. We have shifted all the ornaments tagged there to the scheduled place. We have sealed that and we have handed over the new keys put in the Bahar Bhandar to the respected persons, to the persons deserve to get those keys. उसके बाद then thereafter we made our attempt to open the Bahar Bhandar, Bhitar Bhandar. Bhitar Bhandar key was traced, but key did not operate. So as per the SOP observation, we have broken the locks available there. 1 was sealed, 2 were unsealed, all the 3 were broken open. Then we entered. We have just visualized the position there. There was no time. It was already 5 hours continuously we were laboring. So, and there is also busy schedule with the temple administration people who are going to have their Bauda Jatra tomorrow and Sunabesh day after tomorrow. Therefore, we thought it appropriate to reseal. Resealing is made by new locks. New keys are sent for being kept in the treasury of the district. And we have decided we will be sitting maybe after 5-6 days. We will be sitting again to reschedule, to find another suitable date to get inside the Bhitar Bhandar and to take stock of the Bhitar Bhandar ornaments. And it will be notified to you people.
When you have entered the room, what you have found? And
it was quite natural. It was quite natural, quite normal. We all 11 entered inside. We have not felt any bad. We have come out with all our healthiness.
How many almiras and boxes?
Yes, we found there are number of maybe 5 almiras are there and 2 sinduks are there. Therefore,
do you think that Bhitar Bhandar room that needs to be repaired?
yes, it needs repairing. Definitely, it is not open for 45. If we lock our house, for a month even the house gets damaged. It is just stone carved building. So therefore, it is quite natural and it has some repairing from the atop. So some pastes have come inside. So therefore, it needs repairing. After we shift the ornaments from there to the scheduled room, we will leave it vacant to the ASI people for their repairing.
So the last question, videography, as you had mentioned that.
Yes, videography, 2 sets of videography has been taken and it is for record purpose only.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.